In today's video, I will walk you through how to make general journal entries in Intuit QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the QuickBooks Online dashboard. From the main dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen and click New. A menu will open with different transaction types. From the drop-down menu, select Journal Entry. This will open a new journal entry window where you can enter the details for the transaction. In the journal entry window, enter the relevant information for the transaction. Start with the date, then enter the account names and the corresponding debits and credits. As you enter the information, make sure the debits and credits balance. The total debit amount must equal the total credit amount. If the amounts do not balance, QuickBooks will not allow you to save the journal entry. Review the information you've entered and cross-reference it with your source documents or previous calculations. Check the date, account names, debits, and credits to make sure everything is accurate. Once all the information is correct and the debits and credits are balanced, go to the bottom right of the screen and click Save and New. This saves the current journal entry and opens a new blank journal entry window. If you need to create another journal entry, you can continue entering the next transaction in the new window. The current journal entry will be saved and a new blank entry will open. This completes the process of creating a general journal entry in Intuit QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.